Well, hello everyone. This is KK and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to cover the theory of Python. In this lecture, I want to cover Python interactive mode. Python interactive mode is a useful feature of Python that compiles Python code within Python, interprets itself, and shows the immediate output. To get the Python interactive mode, the first step is you need to get Python installed in your system. If you are on Windows, go to the Python website www.python.org. On this website, go to the downloads and download the current Python version 3.8.3, which is not compatible with Windows XP or earlier version. Use the other stable versions of Python from this website. I have already installed Python in my system. When you install the Python, first you download and then install the Python. This is a one-click installer. Finally, you will get the Python installed in your system at a particular path. You can set it by default. And when we go to the start menu, Python, the Python shell will be open. I have Python 2.7 installed in my system, and this is the Python idle. This Python idle is integrated development environment. We are going to discuss about interactive mode. In interactive mode, we only can interpret a single line at a time. That means Python interactive mode interprets a single line at a time. To verify that we are in Python interactive mode, there are these three greater than symbols, which are like command prompt. In Windows, you can see that the cursor is blinking here. Also, we can use the Python interactive mode in command prompt also in Windows by typing Python and pressing enter. It will lead us to the Python interactive mode, followed by the version information. Both the environments, the console and the Python shell, that is IDLE, both works in a same way in interactive mode. So first we will see in idle. I am just typing 10 and pressing enter. It will show the result 10. Then I will type string in quotes and pressing enter. It is showing a string. I am performing an operation 3 into 9. It will give the output 27. Also 10 plus 20, pressing enter, it will show 30. When I use the print command to give the output and pressing hello world, it will give the output hello world, which is a simple print statement, and giving the output which is enclosed in the double quotes. So this is showing the output hello world. The same way we can do it in console. This is our Python interpreter and this is interactive mode. I am typing 10, pressing enter, it is showing 10. I am once again typing string and this also giving the result is string. I am performing 3 into 9, the result is 27. I am performing 10 plus 20, it is giving the result 30. Also, I use the print statement and I am typing hello comma world, and this hello world is coming here as an output because print statement gives the immediate output enclosed in the double quotes. It doesn't return anything. This is our interactive mode. There is a limitation of interactive mode. We can only execute the single line statements in Python interactive mode. This interactive mode is very helpful in finding the immediate result of some code, testing our code, how is it working. So guys, that's all in interactive mode. We will see script mode in our next video. So keep watching. Thank you. Thanks for watching.